Welcome back to Dan Does It Level Up. Yeah, and today we're gonna do a immune system boost remedy, recipe, whatever. So, need a half a cucumber. Let's get a good half. A half cucumber. Don't really know how to cut these things. Slice it like this. Straight down. I'm asking you.
Yeah, I guess.
So let's get it. I don't really know what I'm doing, but we're gonna get it. Should I go this way? No, let's go this way. Cut the skin off. Let me cut this part off. It'll be easier if I don't cut this off.
I don't care where she's gone to or be happy and safe after what she said. I say that. Probably overthought. I insulted.
Cucumber. I'll leave that on it, whatever. Cut them up. That's my kids, guys. Yeah. That's if you see them touching the camera and distracting stuff, that's my kids.
Same season,
Put these cucumbers.
but the hotel you.
Alright, got the cucumbers cut. Now, I need to get out 2 cloves of garlic. Let's see how you do this. Two cloves of garlic. I don't know what I'm doing. We're gonna get it. Take the skin off. Alright. Okay, got one. Got 1 clove. Another one. Is this 2 in 1? Maybe this. I think that's 1 right there, right?
But you guys take all that stuff off.
Hold up, but I think this is 2. Or is this 1? This is 1, right? Let's consider 1, right?
We'll see. Yeah.
Let's consider 1.
I usually just cut the ends of it and then make it easier.
Cut these ends.
Yeah. Not just, yeah, like the little parts are easy for you.
And
Yeah, take this.
Both ends.
Now peel it.
That's pretty good.
Drink this
All of
up.
it? Oh, okay.
I drink this up.
I'm not really the cooker guy she is, but it's my channel, so I try to give you authentic stuff, real stuff. I'm not trying to like fake you guys out. Alright, that's good. That's too long. You can check it out.
Dig it.
This was more.
See how different it's smooth.
Now, what's considered a clove?
That is a cold.
That one right there?
It does, yeah.
So, I don't need all of this then, I don't think. He said 2 cloves.
But then you don't need this one. It was together.
Hold on, hold on. See it right there?
That's two. There you go.
Right, so 2 cloves. That's good. This is part of it. Alright. 2 cloves. Now the ginger need to be a 1/2 inch. Let's get the measuring tape. Get a measuring tape, guys. I have a measuring tape from 1677. We're gonna get it. So, so it need to be, you said a 1/2 inch. Okay. So about right there. I do it about. Should I cut the back off? It's been sitting out, so I'm gonna cut this one off. Alright, cut the back off. Yeah, it looks different. See, the hard part. You can see it. Yeah, okay, that's good. So I'm gonna go. Yep. So that's the ginger.
That's a 1/2 inch.
Good enough.
I'll take the skin off.
Who's perfect, guys? So, okay, the can. Look at this side, guys. Get out.
Because you're just eating the salt.
No, you're not eating salt by itself. No, I'm not eating salt by itself. Go. Sit down.
Here come, kitty. Here come. Back up. You want to eat cucumber? You ain't even gonna eat it. You're gonna waste it. Get one of those. Alright. I'm still a beginner, guys, so work with me. Alright. Cut the ginger up. Rough. All right, let's go. So, I have the cut up ginger. Can you see? Yeah, you can see. So, I have the cut up ginger, the garlic, the two cloves. I'm about to cut them more. Okay, cut the garlic up more. Let's get it. So now I need the blender. Okay? That's the Lucha bullet.
You gotta keep it right there.
Yeah, I'll pull it right there. You want me to piece of the bottom? The knife?
Oh, yeah.
Hey guys, have the blender. So let's get it. We need need you guys can see. Make sure you guys can see. Yeah. So we're gonna get a tablespoon of water. Tablespoon of water. It's a little bit of water. There's little spoons I use too. I gotta open this organic apple cider. I should have been opening it, but let's see. My hand's a little wet, so it's a little slip. got it. I just cut it. I know it's not the norm, guys, but yeah. Oh yeah, here we go. Here we go. Here we go, right here. Right there, guys. Bear with me now. Don't make fun of me. Let's get it. The apple cider vinegar. Tablespoon of this.
Yeah.
That's strong. Smell like my daughter's feet. That smell like your feet. All right, guys. All right, so the cayenne pepper as well. So what I'm gonna do is, matter of fact, I'm gonna throw this in first. Let's get it. So let's get the ginger. Throw the ginger up in there. This is for 2 shots, guys. It's 2 powerful immune boosting shots. That was the ginger, the garlic, I already did the water, and I did the apple cider vinegar. Now here go the cucumbers. They said this shot gonna change my life. So guess what? I'm trying to change my life for the better. All right, let's go. So a touch of cayenne pepper, a little dibble dabble. I'm gonna go get a little bit. Let's go. A touch of cayenne. A little bit more for that boosty boost. Nah, there. Thing does level up. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Last but not least, my favorite. Let's get the honey. Nah, there. So, put some honey up in there. They say a tablespoon, but it's gonna leak. That's gonna leak. So I'm just pour it. I like honey anyway, so this is my favorite. All right. Sounds about good enough. Okay, guys, time to blendy blend.
That's the wrong
Oh, this way. Sorry, guys. You can tell I don't use this a lot.
How you gonna blend it without the
There we go. My daughter and my baby making fun of me, so it's all good. We're gonna get it. There you go. Time to blendy blend. You ready? Okay, so is that cord long where I can bring it here or no? I'll do it over there. Yeah, they can see. You can see. You can see it. No. You can see it. Stop. You can see it. It's right there. Look. It's right there. You can see me blending.
Okay, there you go.
Yeah, right there.
Yes.
All right. Into the blender. They say blend it for about 30 seconds to a minute. But I'm gonna make sure this is purified. Blendy blender. And let's see if we're gonna take the shots out of it. That's a little shot, but okay. I see some stuff.
Things already?
Yeah.
Alright,
That was a little shot. Let's get a bigger shot than that, but.
Alright, so put it down right there. Then just turn it. Okay, stir it.
Shake it up. You see me?
No.
No, I don't see me. I don't see me. They see me every day. Doesn't have to. Now,
Cause tighten it more. Alright, yeah.
I had to get the honey. But the honey was sticking to the top. It looked exactly how he did it. It looked the same way. Yeah. I know, I like it. I want it real, I want it real smooth, guys. Really smooth, so I go, nah, really. Alright. Okay, guys. Time to pour the shot. Let's see. We have one shot glass.
Ew, not those. Use the other thing.
The big one?
The one I put
This one, right?
Yeah.
It's supposed to be enough for 2 shots, but I don't know if I did it 100% correctly, but I know we're going to take these shots. Let's get it, guys. Open it. Hands a little slip.
I'm fainting.
My hands a little wet. Yeah, you need a paper towel. I got it.
I'm fainting right now.
There you go. See, guys, I'm not that weak. I just need a paper towel. You see me? Right? We got a chunk up in there. That's how it goes. See that deal?
That's strong.
It's so powerful smelling. Smell it, guys. My daughter said, what? But I think it smells good. Powerful. Y'all want to take a shot? Guys, comment down below if I should make my kids take a shot as well. You want to take a shot, Nicholas?
No.
Want to take a shot, Eli? A little bit. You want to take a shot? Yeah, you're taking a shot. Come on, let's go. Take a little shot. You take the little one, I'll take the big one. Come on, let's go.
I'm not doing it.
Come on. I'll take one on camera, she take one off camera. So grab it. You want to be on camera?
Let's go.
Alright. How should we do this?
This. And like this, and I'll take a little.
Nah, I know what to do.
I like your hair.
Come in, Elia. Come here. I'll let her hold it.
This way.
I'll let my daughter hold the camera, guys.
And let me see.
Uh-huh. No. Okay, you go this way. What you doing? You don't want to be in the camera?
I'm right here.
Yeah,
Come on.
Can you see us good, Eli?
Alright, ready? I'm scared.
Here go the shot, guys. Take a shot. Salute to more life, more blessings. Thank God for all our opportunities and blessings He's given us. Thank God for letting us wake up to see another day. Thank God continue to bless this world and bless our family and friends. Thank God for everything. Amen. Let's go. Woo! They said that thing is ahead. Oh my goodness. Woo! You're gonna need some water. If you're not used to that shot, it's not that bad. It's not that bad, but if you're not used to that shot, That's some water ready. Guys, I recommend it. It's powerful. I feel the power. I just feel it. So, do what I did, guys. Take this shot. Cure your, well, I ain't gonna say cure your body, but help your immune system fight what's going on. Help your immune system fight COVID. Help your immune system fight all these crazy diseases and viruses out here. Help yourself. Take care of your body. What you put in your body, and help your body be stronger. So, let's get it. My powerful immune boosting shot. I think you guys should try it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment down below. Yeah!